I'm making homemade cream of chicken soup from the 5-ingredient diabetic diet cookbook for beginners. Let's get started. I've never made homemade cream of chicken soup, so this is exciting. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups low sodium chicken stock, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup shredded cooked chicken, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. In a saucepan on medium heat, whisk together your chicken stock and your milk. Next, add your flour and kind of whisk that as you go too. This is your thickening agent, so you don't want it to be lumpy. Garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Looks about right. You're going to whisk it until smooth, which doesn't take long, and then continue cooking on medium heat until it thickens, stirring occasionally. That's going to take about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on where you are. I'm in a humid climate. It might take a little longer because it always does. I forgot to put on my apron, and I know that if I don't, I will slop stuff on me. Your nutritional facts for this recipe are: 1 serving is 3/4 of a cup. There are 156 calories, 12 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, 14 grams of carbohydrates, 0 grams of fiber, and 165 milligrams of sodium. That seems pretty thick. And the last step is just to add this chicken in. So I'm going to stir in this 1/2 cup of chicken, and then I have my homemade cream of chicken soup. That was really easy. I'm going to give it just a little taste because I have plans for this in a casserole. It's good. This is going to be really good in my casserole. If you want to follow along, you can get this book on Amazon, linked below, and I'll see you next time.